Hello and welcome. Today we explore strategic leadership and management and how to navigate its complex world. This session focuses on the key principles from the Pearson BTEC Level 7 Extended Diploma in Strategic Management and Leadership, highlighting the essential elements that drive organizational success. The core assessment is a 4,000-word analytical essay. Additionally, a 1,000-word personal development plan is required. The scenario focuses on OSG Vision 2030, One Orbis. Harvard referencing is mandatory, and only a single submission is allowed. Achieving a pass grade is the goal. Explore strategic leadership theories in depth. Examine their role in gaining competitive advantage. Evaluate global leadership challenges and their impacts. Critically assess how these theories influence organizational performance. Key theories include transformational, transactional, and servant leadership. Focus on transformational versus transactional leadership. Consider adaptive and servant leadership models. The resource-based view offers strategic insights. Upper echelons theory highlights leadership impact. Strategic fit and competitive positioning are crucial. Move from description to critical evaluation. Compare leadership theories critically. Apply theories directly to OSG Vision 2030. Support arguments with robust academic sources. This approach ensures a deeper understanding of strategic leadership. Examine performance management systems closely. Evaluate ethical leadership approaches in depth. Analyze the impact of equality, diversity, and inclusion. Use frameworks like balanced scorecard and KPI alignment. Explore organizational justice and ethical frameworks. Incorporate the balanced scorecard for KPI alignment. Understand organizational justice theory. Apply ethical frameworks like utilitarianism and deontology. Inclusive leadership models are key. These frameworks guide strategic leadership practices. Evaluate the relationship between leadership and change. Analyze various change management models. Critically examine digital and global transformation. Compare Lewin's, Cotter's, and McKinsey's models. Agile transformation approaches are also essential. Consider Lewin's 3-step model for change. Compare it with Cotter's 8-step model. McKinsey's 7S framework offers strategic insights. Agile transformation approaches are modern alternatives. These models help navigate organizational change. Evaluate personal leadership strengths and weaknesses. Apply the emotional intelligence framework. Design smart development goals for growth. Identify KPIs and key success factors. This plan enhances strategic leadership capabilities. Emphasize critical analysis over mere description. Integrate academic literature throughout your work. Apply theories to the scenario context effectively. Ensure a clear structure and logical argument. Harvard referencing is essential for credibility. For any queries or assistance, send a WhatsApp to 0748 4361 688. Our team will be glad to help. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you again. For any queries or assistance, send a WhatsApp to 0748 43 61688. Our team will be glad to help. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you again.